Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum 3 class. Hope you will be fine. It's 27 July today and I am Kuratulan from Modern Language School. Dear students, please open your activity book of English, page number 34. PH as in photograph. You have studied this topic in your textbook of English. Identify what is shown in each of the pictures below aloud, then fill in the blanks with the correct labels. All words must contain the letters PH. So we have to write here the letters, words that contain the letters PH. The first letter will be Pharaoh. Second is photograph. Third one is physician. Fourth is trophy. This bird is phoenix. This is an imaginary bird. It's a phoenix. Next is pharmacy. Next is the picture of elephant. So you have to write elephant here. Next is a picture of telephone. And the last one is microphone. Please write down on your book. And now come to the page 35. Antonyms. We have already studied antonyms in your textbook of English. So we complete this topic today in your activity book also. Match each word in the left column with the suitable antonyms from the right columns. On the left side, some words are given and you have to match them with their antonyms. You have to match forget with remember. Forget भूल जाना, remember याद रखना. Late with early. Match depart with arrive. Active with passive. Angry, antonym of angry will be calm. Huge with the tiny. Match timid with brave. Timid means coward, buzdil, and brave is bahadur. More with the less. Match short with the tall. Empty, full, same, different, and thick. The antonym of thick is thin. आप लोग आगे बेशक नंबर डाल लें तो फिर आपको इजी हो जाएगा, ठीक है? Now come to the next page, that is page number 36. Fill in the blanks with an antonym for each of the underlined words. You have to write down antonyms of the underlined words. Number 1 is we will be departing this Sunday. The antonym of depart is arrive. So you have to write we will be arriving this Sunday. Next is it's hard to forget everyone's name when you are at a small party. कि जब आप किसी छोटे पार्टी में होते हैं तो फिर भूलते नहीं हैं सबका नाम. और इसका एंटोनेम जब बनाएंगे तो उन्होंने वहाँ पर स्मॉल की जगह बिग लिख दिया है तो आप लिख लेंगे. इसका भी चेंज करके एंटोनेम फॉरगेट की जगह रिमेंबर कर लेंगे कि जब आप बड़ी पार्टी में होते हैं तो फिर मुश्किल है हर एक का नाम याद रखना. इट्स हार्ड टू रिमेंबर everyone's name when you are at a big party. Number 3 is she has a thick book in her bag. She has a thin book in her bag. Antonym of thick will be thin. Number 4, Tanya is taller than Kishwar. So write down Tanya is shorter than Kishwar. Okay students, complete this work on your activity book.